See, our interest in preservation and everything goes way back in history. Like when we got married in 1960, that's when we saw this was for sale. In 1960, we grabbed onto it. And because for most people, like just driving by, it was just a plowed field, but I knew like the mud lake and wetland and the interesting area was just over the hill, which is just down behind us. When we came, there was only 3 tall white pines just on the east of us, and just on the west side of there's 3 there, and but the other trees were all deciduous trees. But then with planting and so on, now there's a really great mix of trees, all kinds of trees, even tulip trees.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all the trees out there we planted, because it was a ploughed field when we got the place. No, I think
just about everywhere.
Yeah, we like the whole thing. I don't think we have any.
Nice,
maybe the pond, the lake.
But it needed somebody more regular, which was the land trust. Just came about the right time. See that.
And also locally.
Well, they saying like they didn't have a place in Oxford, and I said, well, we're in Oxford. We were so happy to comply.
I think we just want it preserved. It's the most important thing.